Iceland, a land of dramatic contrasts, is a place where fire and ice create a wonderland of natural beauty. The country's breathtaking landscapes captivate visitors with its rugged volcanic terrain, majestic waterfalls, and otherworldly geothermal features. The vibrant capital city of Reykjavik offers a blend of modern Scandinavian charm and a gateway to Iceland's untamed wilderness. Iceland is known for its abundance of geothermal pools, inviting travelers to soak in the warm waters and experience ultimate relaxation. The country's glaciers, such as Vatnajökull and Sólheimajökull, create a stunning backdrop for adventure activities like glacier hiking and ice caving. Iceland's unique position near the Arctic Circle also provides an opportunity to witness the mesmerizing phenomenon of the northern lights, painting the night sky with vibrant colors. Icelandic folklore and Viking heritage add to the country's mystique, with sagas and ancient tales echoing through the landscapes. Iceland's commitment to sustainability and preserving its natural wonders is evident, making it a haven for eco-conscious travelers. With a spirit of adventure ingrained in its DNA, Iceland invites visitors to explore its raw and untouched wilderness, embark on thrilling excursions, and discover the magic of a land shaped by the forces of fire and ice. Subscribe or follow for more interesting places to visit.